everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a seasonal sale promotions in a gift shop. So I'm an owner of a gift shop and I'm having a very big seasonal sale in my shop. And to promote it, I have created a broadcast with the help of which I have sent a promotional message of the sale to all my customers. Now I receive a lot of replies from my customers on this message, and giving the answer to all of them manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as soon as towards the message I receive in reply from my customer, automatically this bot is going to give the answers to them. So now if you want to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an awesome WhatsApp chatbot for seasonal sale promotions in gift shop using Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, first I'm going to show you how this chatbot works in real time. Then I'll walk you through the building of the chatbot step by step from scratch. So this is the bot right over here. The bot has sent out a broadcast message template, as you can see right over here, to all my customers offering fantastic discounts. Once you can see that I have received this message, then I'm going to be able to interact with the bot, select the buttons, like these all the buttons right over here, and get the real-time deals, okay? So this is the message that I've received from this bot right here, and these are the buttons. So I'm going to, let's suppose, select the button as view all offers. As I'm going to select the button, automatically the bot has replied to me with all the offers available in my gift shop. You can see right over here with the link. If I'm going to click on this other button right over here, you can see I have received another message. So in this manner, this bot is going to work of promotional messages for my gift shop, okay? So now let me show you how you can build this bot step by step without any need of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now firstly, we need to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, open a new page and browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/Chatflow. I'm going to browse this website and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Chatflow account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. After that, Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. And after coming to the dashboard, what is Pabbly Chatflow? Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses to send and manage WhatsApp messages effortlessly. It allows us to create message flows that automatically sends message towards our customers' inquiries. With Pabbly Chatflow, you are going to find many features. After coming to the Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, we have to add our WhatsApp number. For that, click on this button right over here on the top right corner, add WhatsApp number. And you are going to find two options right here: Manual Token Connect and WhatsApp Connect, okay? I'm going to select Manual Token Connect. If you are manually connecting your WhatsApp number, you are going to find all these details in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now, with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API account, you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account from here. And if you want to learn how you can do that, for that you can check out this video right here, that is add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API. And with the help of this video, you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account with your WhatsApp Cloud API account, okay? So after adding your WhatsApp number, if you have added multiple WhatsApp numbers in your Pabbly Chatflow account, for that you can create multiple folders for each number as well from this left side of the screen right here. Click on this plus button right over here, give a name to the folder, create the folder from here and add your different WhatsApp numbers to the different folders that you're going to create. On the dashboard, you can see WhatsApp message credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the number of numbers added. You can find all the details on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow right here. Now, after seeing the dashboard, now I'm going to tell you the overview of each and every features that Pabbly Chatflow provides. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the inbox right here. So this is the inbox section of our Pabbly Chatflow account in which you can manage the conversations with your users. On the left side, you can find the chat of your customers right here, and directly through the inbox, you can manage the entire conversation with your customers. You can find all the messages right over here, and with that, you can also find the details in this inbox of your customers as well. After inbox, we are going to look into the contacts page of our Pabbly Chatflow account. Under contacts, you will find all the people who have messaged you along with their details and chat history. This helps us to follow up and reconnect anytime with our customers and maintain their details. After that, we are going to look into the team queues. Team queues lets you assign chats to different team members or departments so every message goes to the right person automatically. Next, we are going to talk about the templates. Templates are ready-to-made messages that can be instantly sent. They are perfect for replying faster to common questions. You can create your own template over here, and these are all the templates. And also you can find the pre-created template over here on the Explore template page. Next, we are going to talk about broadcast. With broadcast, you can send one message to many contacts at once. This is great for promotions, offers, or important updates. Next, we are going to talk about flows. Flows allows us to create automated WhatsApp chatbot conversation. This saves us time by answering common queries even when you're not online. And then over here, we have this new feature that is AI Assistant. We are going to create a separate video for the AI Assistant later. After that, we are going to look into the settings. In settings, you can find opt-in management, inbox settings, contact custom fields, tags, quick replies, chat assignment rules, configure SLA, notification preference, and time zone. If you want to learn about each feature of Pabbly Chatflow and the setting features of Pabbly Chatflow briefly, you can find all the videos that we have already created and uploaded on our YouTube channel. Now, in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot inside Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to go towards this flows page of our Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is the flow builder page of my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can see right over here. And on the flow builder page, you are going to find the total number of flows that you have created, active flows and the inactive flows. If you're going to scroll down, you're going to find all the flows that you have created in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay. Now, in order to create a new flow, we have to click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. In this video, I am sending a template message towards my customers through creating a broadcast. So I have created a template message which I'm going to show you right now in this templates list. And after coming to templates over here, this is the template that I've created in the name of Seasonal Sale Promo. You can see the status of this template has been approved. If I'm going to open this, this is the template that I've created right over here of the promotional message in my gift shop. Okay. And I'm going to send this template message to my customers through a broadcast that I've already created. So in the broadcast section right over here, you can see I've created this broadcast in the name of Seasonal Sale Promo, and it has been scheduled for tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow to all my customers that I've selected in this broadcast, they are going to receive the message. Okay. So this template that I've created, that I've showed you before, is going to be forwarded to all the customers who have added in this broadcast right here. And what is going to happen, as I've already showed you, so this was the template message. It has been forwarded as a broadcast. So now in this, I have added few buttons. And now this bot is going to reply to my customers for the buttons that my customer are going to select from this message. So we are going to create this chatbot according to the buttons that we have added in our template. For creating a new flow, go towards the flow builder page, then click on this add flow button right over here. After coming to the add flow button, firstly, I'm going to rename this bot. And the name of this bot is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for seasonal sale promotions in a gift shop. I want to give this name to this bot. Now it is asking for the flow start, when this bot is going to be triggered. So over here, as I'm sending a template as a message towards the customer and they are going to reply towards the template, so I'm going to select this option, choose template, right over here. As I'm going to click on it, these are all the templates that I've created in my Pabbly Chatflow account, and as this is the template that I'm going to share to my customers as a message, so I'm going to select this template from here. As I'm going to do that, this is the template that I've created in which I've added 3 buttons over here. Now flow start can be done through 3 different options: keywords, regex and template. Over here I am using this choose template as I'm forwarding a broadcast towards my contacts. But if you're creating another bot, you can also choose this option keywords and the regex right over here. To learn more about keywords and regex, you can find the videos on our YouTube channel. Okay. Now, as we are going to send this message as a broadcast message towards my customers, they're going to receive this message in which they are going to receive the 3 buttons right here. So now what message should be forwarded towards my customer if they select any of the buttons? As my first button is view all offers, what message should be forwarded to them for this view all offers? For that, you can see this point in front of this button, drag it and drop it in this field right here. It is going to ask you to select the content type. Select it as text plus button. You can select the other content type according to your requirement. I'm going to select it as text plus button right here. And I have to now enter the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button right here. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is view all offers. Here are all sizzling deals at blissful gifting. 30% off, 40% off, 50% off, buy to get one free on accessories. Shop on your favorites before the sale ends at this website right here. You can see over here, this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is view all offers. Okay. So now with that, I have second button, that is shop gift hampers. Now I'm going to add the message over here for this button as well. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message over here for this button is going to be, so this is the message right here. Our special gift hampers are here just for you. Festive hampers starting at 1499, self-care hampers 40% off, chocolates and treat hampers buy one get one free at 30% off. Perfect gifts for your loved ones, limited stock available. Explore hampers now on this website. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select this option right here. Now I've added the last button, that is explore personalized gift. So I'm going to add a message to this button as well. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message for this button is going to be, so this is the message right over here, that is, make it personal with our best-selling gifts. Customized mug at $499, personalized photo frame $799, engraved pens and notebooks at 30% off. Add a special touch to every gift because your loved ones deserve it. Explore personalized gift at this website. Okay. So you can see over here, these are the 3 messages that is going to be forwarded towards my customer for the respective 3 buttons that I've created. Now, in these messages, I want to give another button that is going to let my customer claim a coupon code. Okay. For that, click on this add button over here. And now I'm going to name this button. And the name of this button over here is going to be claim your coupon. Using this button, the customer can claim the coupon code over here. Okay. So now for this button, I want to add a message. For that, simply drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message of this claim your coupon button, the message is going to be, so this is the message right over here. That is, congratulations, you just unlocked exclusive coupons. Use coupon code GIFT10 and JOY15. These are the 2 coupon codes you can see right over here. Hurry, offer valid only till 31st May 2025. Shop now and save more on this website. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards this button, that is claim your coupon. I am going to copy this name from here because I'm going to add these same buttons in 3 of these messages right here. And similarly for this button, I'm going to paste the name. Okay. And now as I've done that, Now for the messages for these button, this is going to be the same message forwarded for the claim your coupon. So I'm going to simply connect all these button to this message over here for the claim your coupon. Okay. So this is the bot that I've created for this broadcast message template. Okay. So now as a customer is going to receive this message from the broadcast that I'm going to run, they're going to receive 3 of these buttons right here. And according to the buttons, these are the messages that is going to be forwarded towards my customer. So I'm going to firstly rearrange all these messages over here. So after rearranging, now to save this bot, I'm going to click on the save button on the top right corner. And as I'm going to do that, it says flow updated successfully. So now as this flow has been saved, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this bot. I've already received this template as a broadcast message on my WhatsApp. You can see right over here, this is the message. And in this message, as I've received these buttons, so now I'm going to test this bot. Let me select this button, view all offers right over here. As soon as I'm going to select the button, you can see I've received the automatic reply. Here are all the sizzling deals at Blissful Gifting, and these are the offers you can see right over here with the website on which I can shop. Now I want to claim the coupon code. For that, I can click on this button right over here, and I have received the coupon codes you can see right over here, okay, and the website as well. And till the date, this coupon is going to be valid. Now I also want to shop the gift hampers, so I'm going to select this button from the message, and I have received the prices of the gift hampers you can see right over here and the website and the claim your coupon button as well. And this is the message of the coupon codes till the valid date and the website. Now I'm going to test this last button, that is explore personalized gift. As I'm going to select it, you can see I've received the message of the personalized gift, mug, photo frames, pens and notebooks. Over here there's the website and your claim your coupon code button as well, and I have received the coupon codes right here with the valid date and the website. So you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my messages. This means now this bot has been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now as a business owner, if you want to check the conversations of your customer, for that simply from the left side go towards this inbox section right over here. After coming to the inbox page of our Pabbly Chatflow account, on the left side you're going to find all the chats. If I'm going to select this chat from the left side right over here, you can see this was the entire conversation between the customer and the bot. You can see right over here, okay, this was the message forwarded. This is the view all offers selected, claim your coupon, all the messages you can see right over here with the statuses of the messages as well, okay. So over here you can find all the messages and you can find the details of the customer that you have added over here on the right side as well. So you can see this bot is now automatically replying. That means this bot has been created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. That's it. You have seen how this bot works, how easy it is to set up, and now here's the fun part. You can create your own WhatsApp chatbot for your business in Pabbly Chatflow. And to help you get started, we are giving you 100 free credit points to test it out and create your own very WhatsApp chatbot without any needing of coding and programming skills. Start building your own chatbots in Pabbly Chatflow today and see how it can boost your sales and engagement in your business. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.